Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So we've got another group of cars that we've picked up sort of towards the end of 2024, 2025. Got a couple of loosies we picked up at thrift stores and some flea markets while they were still open. So in this part of the video, we're just going to take a quick look at the cars in this little setup that we have here, little display. I'll give you a little close-up of them in their package. And then afterwards, I'll break them out, we'll weigh them, and we'll give a picture of each car with a close-up. And after that, we'll race this group of cars and see who's got any speed, if anyone does. So let's start over here. I'm going to start with this Porsche Carrera, the 2024 model. Underneath him is a 1998 Subaru Impreza. He's also a 2024. Then we've got a 2025 Cadillac Fleetwood. A Monster High Ghoulmobile. 2025 version of that. And then down at the bottom we've got the Buick Riviera. Also new for 2025. Then we'll move over. We've got the Purple Passion car. Also a 2025 model. This is a 2024 Formula E Gen 3 racer. Sort of an Indy type car. And we've got Tiki Time here. It's a custom 53 Chevy. One of these art cars. Also a 2025 car. And we've got this hot red 2015 Mazda MX-5 Miata, Compact Kings, another 2025 car. And then down at the bottom, we have the Twin Mill Generation E racer. I know a lot of people don't like this one because the typical Twin Mill has the big two outside motors and this one doesn't. We'll see how it does. It's got some big wheels. Hopefully it'll do okay on the track. Then I'll open up these guys later. I think people know how to do this already, but if you look at the back of these packages, you can see what number it is. The T29, I think it has to do with what year it was or what month, what year and what month it was produced in the year. But the thing I care about is the 01. So this is the number 1 casting in this group of 10 mystery models. So we'll open him up later and reveal what he is. This next one is the 03 in this series of 10. And this one, take my word for it, this is the 02. Back it up a little bit. There it is. So for once, I actually found all 3 of the top 3 mystery models all in the same case. So that was a stroke of luck. So we'll let them out of the package later on and show you what they are. Then the next car on the display here is another Lamborghini Huracan Storado. There was an orange one earlier. This is the 2025 version. Next up, we got this 22 Ford Maverick Custom. There was a blue one, I think, at the end of 2024. This is 2025 yellow one. The Alpha Pursuit. I believe it's supposed to be a type of police car. Another 2025 one. And then underneath him, we have this Aston Martin DB 4GT high-speed edition. Silver and kind of a red paint job, number 4. It was new for 2024. And we'll move over here now to a DMC DeLorean. They're usually, all silver, Hot Wheels has a couple of color versions. Another 2025 model. Get a good look at him. Pretty colorful. Underneath him is an Alfa Romeo GT V6 3.0. It's a black one. This red edition stuff is the exclusive to Target. I think I have 1 or 2 red editions in here. So probably wouldn't have picked them up otherwise, but it's always nice to get a special car. And he's from the end of 2024. And we've got a new for 2025, a hauler back, I think it says. Kind of a pickup truck, sport pickup truck. Not sure if that is a metal base or not. I read that it was a metal base. It looks plastic to me, but we'll figure that out once we get them out of the package. And then down here, put him up. Here we've got a 1990 Acura NSX, a Zamac. Really pretty car. Also from a 2024 model year. So I like that one. And I picked up one of these laying lowriders. I'm always tempted to chop off the thing on the wheels. You can see those little spokes here that go around and pop the engine. I guess that's cute, but it robs them of any speed they might have. So one of these days I'm going to chop one of those off, but here's a good look at the laying lowrider. And he is also a red edition from Target. And we've got a new van, the Key swap van, new for 2025. Try to get a good look at him. Not sure what all the graphics are on him. He's got triangles and all kinds of stuff, so I'm not sure what the idea is with this car, but it's a new model, so we picked him up for 2025. And we've got another new model, this one for 2024. This is the Honda S800 racing car. I wish they would have done a little better, you know, with the front and back tail lights. It had the potential to be a really nice looking car. But still a new model, nice to pick it up. And we've got another pretty sharp looking car here. This is the Ford Mustang GTD. This isn't really a Zamac, I don't think. I think it's just a silver paint job, but it's a pretty good one. It looks like a Zamac. Anyhow, 2025 version. Hopefully that does well on the track. It's sharp looking. And then we got another Ford down here, the Ford Mustang Dark Horse. Kind of this matte blue paint job, new for 2024. So another kind of cool new casting. And then we've got a VW Bug. This one they're calling Bumblebee. It's, you know, got a relationship to the Transformers. You see the bottom here a little bit. I guess that's the Transformer guy. And a nice gold color too. You know, I almost thought it was like a super treasure hunt, but it's not. And we've got the Retroactive. More of a common car, but they do pretty good on the track sometimes. The Tesla Model S Plaid, another EV car, 2025 model. Then we've got this McLaren P1, Quarter Mile Heroes, 2024. I think I have a black version of these. Pretty car. And then at the bottom of the pile here, we've got this big Tesla. Let's put them up here. Cybertruck. So a big Zamac truck, pretty heavy casting, pretty wide. We'll see how that car does on the track. And then rounding out the group here, we've got this 1940 pickup truck. We've got a Bugatti Chiron, a Rev Rod, the Eagle Massa, and finally, Yoshi, a little pickup truck. All these guys on the bottom were, well, they were mostly picked up at a thrift store for like 50 cents a piece. So if you can get them in somewhat good condition at a thrift store, you celebrate and take them home. So with all these guys, next step, I'll take them out, weigh them. We'll get a close-up picture of each one of these guys outside of their package, and then we'll race them. Okay, let's open up these mystery models. So this one is number 1. And there he is. Take a good look at him. And we'll put him on his little sticker. So let's get a shot of him right here. 84 Audi Sport Quattro. So this is the number 1 in the series, supposedly the best one. We'll kind of judge at the end. So now let's go get the next car out and put him here. This is actually number 3. And he, the Subaru WRX ST, I think it says. STI. So, he's okay. Nothing special on the back or front. So we'll put him up here next to the other guy. And we've got one more to go. Definitely this Audi looks a little better than that Subaru. And for the last one. This is number 2. And we've got a nice red Porsche. Porsche 944 Turbo. And put him on his little sticker as well. We'll get him a close up. So which one is the best? I'd say it's between that Porsche and the Audi. I like the paint job on the Audi, but I do like the way the Porsche is laid out. So there's the 3 mystery cars. So the next thing that we'll do is we'll get all the other cars out of the packages. I'll weigh them and then we'll get an individual shot of each one, and then we'll race them and see who the best car is out of this group of 36.